Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So today I'll show you what we bought for New Year's Day.
Yeah.
I know it was a few days ago, but finally got time to make a video. Just absolutely two beautiful parfum or perfume.
Perfume in a red box thing.
In the holiday.
It said perfume.
Yeah.
Why do you always have to make Louis Vuitton videos?
We decided
It's
just
but
to buy a His and
Vuitton
Hers
it's Louis Vuitton videos.
perfume set. Yeah, just for the new year 2020. It should be a great year, so that's why we decided to buy. I've smelled it for a few times, and I just fell in love with it. And you just don't. $250 is a bit. I think a bit much to spend on perfume. Since just I have so many colognes, and we have so many colognes and perfume already, so it's not quite necessary. So, but let's show you this. Of course, came in this beautiful holiday shopping bag. Okay, which my sons will help me. Okay, and then the plastic Vuitton. Okay, and take it out, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, can I take one out?
Hallelujah.
Wow.
Hallelujah.
Oh.
There's something
So
else inside.
the two that we decided to get was the Nouveau or New World. Both of these are 100 milliliters. This is more feminine. That's of course more masculine. Of course, they're both unisex, but you know there are notes. And this is the Attrape Reves, which means dream catcher. Attrape Reves. Oh, and there's a flower. Okay. So, of course, we know what these look like inside. Definitely love the very minimalistic design here. Hun, can you get this out, hun? Get this out for Daddy.
Hallelujah. A beautiful tree flower. Got it.
Okay. Good job, hun. You want to open it?
Yeah. Why can't we just get
Love this.
here?
I think when it came out, there was a display, and it was like 1,000 of these bottles, stacked on top of each other. It was amazing. Okay, Attrape Reves. Okay, open this.
How do we open it?
Pull, open like that. Pull it up.
Pull?
See? Pull it up.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Are you gonna use that or sell it?
This is for mommy.
Oh.
So look, Attrape Reves, and we got of course you can get your own initials on here. Attrape, very light rosy pink color. Let me get the whole bottle out. Of course, these bottles are refillable, and the price is $250.
$254,000.
$250, and the refill is only $150. So it's not bad.
Oh.
Attrape. Wow.
This is called funbakshan.
That beautiful. Beautiful LV logo, gold LV logo on top.
Silver.
Oh, that one's silver?
Yeah.
Let's see, we have the two bottles here. Wait, hang on. Okay. Wait. Nouveau. New World. Okay, beautiful. Look, you like it, huh?
Get more.
I absolutely love this love this smell. I mean, it's very rich, very leathery, lots of oud and rose, perfect combination. But I love it. You know, I smell it first time, I loved it. Second time I went to the store, loved it again. But just decided, I'll just wait on it. But finally, for New Year's, I've got this initialed here for my 3 kids. We always got to value what's important in life. Right there. Of course, the let's see, is this? I think this is.
I want to smell
Is this
this.
silver? Okay.
I want to smell this one.
Okay, spray it, hun. Open and spray it. And
I should spray it?
yeah, this is the Attrape Reves is was featured in one of their Louis Vuitton campaign. So it's one of their
Smell my
good,
hand. No, smell. Spray it. Oh wow.
Wow. Okay, don't spray too much.
That's so good.
We just wasted $15. Just
What about this?
it's just it smells good, huh?
Strong.
Smells good, huh? You like it or no?
This coffee's too strong.
Wow.
Who made this? I made this coffee in the lid.
Okay.
That one never stop. That smells more good.
Yeah, this is
my
a
coffee?
very sophisticated smell.
What?
Very it's elegant.
Well, I want
These
to know
are
which
just
part
extremely high quality, of course, without saying.
into the controller.
Yeah,
The
just
lovely flowers.
beautiful. Yeah, this is one of the top feminine parfum or perfume.
Perfume.
Okay, and here, perfect.
Perfect.
This will.
This will.
This is how you put these in here.
Here.
Or, yeah. See?
I don't want to smell lovely flowers.
Ah, beautiful. That's why. That's how it is.
Knuckle.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, where's the cap?
Now you and taller.
Where's the cap? Good job, hon.
You have the lovely flowers.
Wow.
For
See?
you. We should have bought 3.
We have this beauty case. Absolutely stunning Epi
There's more.
beauty case here.
There's more.
Amazing.
Notifications.
Finally got some
Oh no.
bottles
Flower.
for it.
Flowers.
So
We are super good. We have the best.
excellent. Look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Of
Beautiful.
course, Louis Vuitton is
The best.
the best. Right, huh? Okay? All right. Thanks for watching. And
Really? Just subscribe on our YouTube channel.
yeah. Thank you.
Alright,
Bye-bye. Okay. Love you.
Love you. Wait. Like the video.
Okay. Subscribe.
Smash that subscribe.
Smash that subscribe button.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, we've done so. Okay, thank you.